Several witnesses have testified in ongoing congressional investigations into the drug menace and alleged extrajudicial killings involving drug suspects. Most of them have requested and granted immunity from suit. Just what is immunity from suit? Ria Fernandez tells us about it.
In the last hearing conducted by House of Representatives in relation to alleged drug trade inside the New Bilibid prison, Herbert Colango and his fellow high-profile inmates were granted an immunity from suit. They served as witnesses against former Justice Secretary and now Senator Laila De Lima, who is said to be responsible over the proliferation of narcotics at the National Penitentiary. The immunity from suit is provided by Republic Act No. 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act. Through this, an individual gets to be protected from being charged of any case that might spring from his testimony. According to Attorney Maris Manalo, a legal practitioner, this is one strategy of the government to flesh out, to gather more information about a sensitive and complicated case. Such tactic works in other countries like the United States. However, not everybody can enjoy this privilege.
Bago ka naman bigyan ng immunity from suit, may mga kondisyon yun eh. At ang gobyerno ay dapat walang impormasyon sa mga nasabing impormasyon na ibibigay nito mga informants. At yung impormasyon mo naman ay maaaring dapat i-corroborate ng ibang tao o ng ibang ebidensya. At itong mga testigo o informant ay dapat sila ay hindi convicted ng mga crimes involving moral turpitude except kung ang Estado nga ay walang impormasyon na katulad ng mga impormasyong binibigay nila. Kaya yung mga taong ito, yung mga nagbibigay ng impormasyon, ay willing sila na pag nagbigay sila ng information, wala silang condition.
Nevertheless, the immunity from suit can still be stripped off.
Consider also na under Section 34 naman din dun sa RA 9165, nakalagay din po doon na kahit binigyan ka ng immunity from suit, kapag nalaman na lahat na binigay mo impormasyon ay walang katotohanan, malisyoso, at ito'y gawa-gawa mo lamang, maaaring bawiin ang tinatawag na immunity na yan na binigay sa'yo at ikaw ay maaaring i-prosecute.
For PTV News, Ria Fernandez.